Hi guys, Watermelon Origami here. Sorry I haven't been active lately. I've just kind of been lazy and yeah, not on work. So this is the Exploding Pyramids designed by Jeremy Schaefer. He taught them on YouTube, so go check his video out if you want to see them. And here's how they work. That was very big. Okay. So I folded these out of 3-inch kami, which I feel works the best. But I guess you could use 6-inch kami too. So now I'm just gonna tilt him up so you can see better the explosion. There. So now, yeah, I folded 8 of these. You can fold 8 of them out of 2 pieces of 6-inch kami by cutting them up. I used pink because, well, yeah, it's pink. And I like pink. And, yeah, so it's pretty cool. It's not that hard, actually. Whoa, and all the way over here. Pretty far. So, yeah, that's the Exploding Pyramids by Jeremy Schaefer. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, stay tuned for more videos. Bye. Have a nice day.